Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hidalgo County in deep South Texas, western Cameron County in deep South Texas, southwestern Willacy County in deep South Texas, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Edinburgh Regional Medical Center, or over Edinburgh, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Wow.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source:
Still raining out here.
Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Edinburgh, Harlingen, Raymondville, Elsa, Ed Couch, Santa Rosa, Lyford, Elmhurst, La Villa, and North McAllen. This includes the following highways: Interstate Highway 69 east between mile markers 42 and 45. Interstate Highway 69C between mile markers 3 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for